So here is how we can silence calls from one person. And let me show you how it works on both the Android platform as well as on iPhone. So let's get started. If you are new here, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So if we start with the Android, what you can do is to open up your Contacts application. I like to use Google Contacts for better features. So I get inside like this and find the person that I want to silence, right? So I have them stored in here. So I can click on their account or profile within my contacts, and I can see and choose the contact ringtone below. This is going to ask me perhaps to choose which app I want to use it with, so I'm going to go with the default one, and then I can basically pick the silent ringtone for that person only, which would practically mean that whenever they are calling me, I only hear silent notification or ringtone. So even if my phone is set to be loud, and if the phone is not even silent, I might still only get a silent ringtone when that person is calling me. So that is how it would work on the Android. When it comes to the iPhone, the process is kind of similar. Like, you can as well just decide that you open up the Contacts application, tap on the contact like this, go to the edit mode, and you can pick the ringtone. And in here, you get to pick from all of the options, right? And you can pick the one which you want to pick or choose for that person. However, you can as well choose a silent ringtone. By default, it's not available in here. So if you go and move over to the Tune Store, you're going to have the ability to look up the silent ringtone. It's pretty common for people to get that. So it is most definitely going to be available, right? But also, if you already have some quiet or silent sound inside of the voice memo, so you could, for example, avoid that by going inside of the voice memos, recording a quick quiet sound like that, and choose that to be the ringtone. When you can hold it down on it, and you will have the ability to choose that as a ringtone. Because if you click on the three dots, click on share, you have the ability to pick that as a ringtone, right? So you can even record a silent voice memo and choose that to be the ringtone for one person, and therefore you will silence one of your contacts. So I hope it helps. I hope it's not too overwhelming. So if you have some more questions about this, leave them below. But I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.